Okay, I do believe it happened pretty quick. Okay, hello and welcome to Tim Cooper Talks Health. And good morning, afternoon, evening, night, wherever you reside on this amazing planet of ours. So, what we're going to talk about today, an amazing essential oil that I recommend for use for every female on the planet because it makes it's the best oil for your worst week, if you know what I mean. Okay, so apart from that, Clary Sage. Well, actually, I should actually put this up, shouldn't I? There we go. So we're actually talking about Clary Sage, guys. So apart from that, Clary Sage is best known for its calming effects, and also it's really good for the skin. But it's really helpful in balancing the mood during menstruation and also menopause, and also been used with great effect and great support for women going through menopause. It can be applied during those moments of heat and just helps balance, just helps take the peaks and troughs out of the whole process. And once again, Clary Sage is suitable for internal use. It says on the back of on the label, it says for flavouring use, dilute 1 drop in food or liquid. Once again, always follow the instructions. If it says 1 drop, use 1 drop. As I said, I know a lot of women out there who get a lot of support just by simply adding 1 drop to a glass of water and just sipping that down, and it just helps just to to balance things out, and once again just takes the peaks and troughs out. So also, if you're really suffering from menstrual discomfort, just applying 3 to 5 drops onto the abdomen during that time can help assist and relieve with that. Outside of that, actually, it's really funny. I'll probably get hit over the head, but the males of the community call Clary Sage "wife in a bottle," okay, because it just really helps with the mood and all those other challenges that come along with that week in the month. Okay. So great stuff. Now, outside of that, for general use, what can it be used for? Once again, it is great for the skin. So just applying it in a carrier or a cream, fantastic for calming. And sometimes when I haven't been sleeping well, when the problems of the world keep me up at night, I've got one of those brains that just keeps on whizzing and whirring. And I don't get much sleep, but I really need to reduce the stress and anxiety of the day because I've got to sit down and concentrate. I'll actually diffuse Clary Sage. So Clary Sage is great to diffuse just for that calming effect. Once again, a couple of drops on the pillow can help with a restful night's sleep. You can add it to your shampoo for nice, healthy looking hair and scalp. It's great to combine with, say, nice other calming oils like Roman chamomile into the bathwater. But once again, whenever you're adding essential oils into the bathwater, please ensure that you sort of make sure that the oils are mixed in and not just sitting in a great big blob either on top of the water or on the bottom of the water, right? Because then it's sometimes it can actually some of these oils can cause some reactions to sensitive skin, and the skin that doesn't see a lot of sunlight or a lot of use is sensitive and can actually react. So always make sure that if you're running the water, put the oil into where the water's running, so it's being splashed up and dispersed. But great oil for it. It's known for its calming effects. And I'm just going to check with my notes because I always have my notes close by. So once again, for that calming effect, you can apply it to the soles of your feet and to your pulse points. We've done that. Yeah, I think that's about. I mean, those are the main points for Clary Sage. Is that it's really renowned for its calming and soothing effects. It's known to be good for the skin, but mainly, as I said, great for women. I said it's the best oil for the worst week, and just great support and balance for menopausal women as well. So it is something. I mean, this is a gift if you haven't tried Clary Sage, either to help support you and assist you through menstruation, through the pain and discomfort, or if you are menopausal, put a bottle of this in your in your purse or handbag. You can apply a drop to some water. You can just apply it topically, and I'm sure you'll find some great benefits there. Now, if you like this, please like, share, and comment. Share the love around. And once again, if you have any questions you'd like to know, anything you'd like to know about, please let me know. I'm just doing a quick cut and copy here because I wasn't terribly organised this morning. Been doing lots of other things. Now, the other thing too is that if you would like to experience these oils for yourself, let's say if you want to give Clary Sage a test run and you live in Australia, go to samples.pureessentials.store and request a free sample, or message me, okay? Always best, there's things I can say and things I can't say in the public forum on social media. So if you want to find out more information, please feel free to message me at, it will pop up eventually. I'll get rid of this one and put this one up. So please feel free to message me at m.me/Tim Cooper Health. We can have a chat, and once again, if you live in Australia, I'm more than happy to get a sample of Clary Sage to you, so you can give it a try it off yourself. It's always the best way. Like, of course, we know different things work for different people, different strokes for different folks, as they say. So just because this may be well known to assist and support in one area, it may not necessarily work for you. So it's always great to try things out, to sample things, and give it a go. Okay. Once again, show us some love. Keep the comments coming, keep the questions coming, and I'm here to help you in whatever way that I can. So any questions that you have, please put in the comments below or message me with them. And I'll see you in a couple of days with another essential oil education video. Who knows what I'm going to talk about? Maybe you can message me and request a specific essential oil. Okay, until then, you take care.